It's mid-afternoon, about 80 degrees out. I'm sitting in the car with the AC barely keeping up. I glance in the mirror and I can't help but notice my face, especially under my eyes. The shadow, the tiredness, that uneven tone creeping in again. I know, I know. I've been pushing, not sleeping enough, and yeah, age is starting to show up in its own quiet way. Wow. Right now, I don't want a full glam routine. I just want something simple, natural, healing. A turmeric and honey facial. Yeah, that's exactly what I need today. Gentle, powerful, and exactly the kind of self care I've been putting off. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my self care Thursday. Today, I'm starting my day with intention, kindness, and one of my favorite glow up rituals, a turmeric and honey face mask. It's simple, natural, and it leaves my skin fresh and bright.
Take a deep breath, let the noise fall away. Today is for you, not tomorrow, not yesterday. You've been pouring love on everyone else. Now it's time to pour a little into yourself. Light that candle, set that tea. Move with grace, breathe in peace. You deserve this sacred space.
This mask only takes two ingredients, turmeric and raw honey. Turmeric is packed with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps reduce redness, acne scars, and brightens dull skin. For honey, it's deeply moisturizing and naturally antibacterial, perfect for hydrating the skin. So, this mask is just perfect for you. Perfecto.
Take a deep breath, let the noise fall away. Today is for you, not tomorrow, not yesterday. You've been pouring love on everyone else. Now it's time to pour a little into yourself. Light that candle, sip that tea. Move with grace, breathe in peace. You deserve this sacred space. Self-care Thursday, your healing place. You are not a machine, you are a garden. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology. You are not a machine, you are a garden. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology.
I'm trying to put this on. I don't know. Right. One. Ain't that much.
Take a deep breath, let the noise fall away. Today is for you, not tomorrow, not yesterday. You've been pouring love on everyone else. Now it's time to pour a little into yourself. Light that candle, sip that tea. Move with grace, breathe in peace. You deserve this sacred space. Self-care Thursday, your healing place. You are not a machine, you are a garden. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology. You are not a machine, you are a garden. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology. Take a deep breath, let the noise fall away. Today is for you, not tomorrow, not yesterday. You've been pouring love on everyone else. Now it's time to pour a little into yourself. Light that candle, sip that tea. Move with grace, breathe in peace. You deserve this sacred space. Self-care Thursday, your healing place. You are not a machine, you are a garden. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology. You are not a machine, you are a garden. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology. Water yourself, rest, bloom without apology.
I love to use this mask once or twice a week, especially in the morning when my skin feels tired or needs a glow up. Just apply a thin layer to clean dry skin and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The turmeric gives a warm tone while the honey locks in moisture. I'm gonna give you guys a pro tip. Use an old brush. Don't use your new brush. Use an old brush or an old sponge to apply. Be careful, don't use your hand or your fingers will turn yellow.
It's so relaxing doing this. Very relaxing. The turmeric with the honey makes it feel so smooth. Going in your skin, incredible. You have to be really careful so you don't have to drop it on you, because you don't want this on your clothes unless you're not gonna use it anymore. That's the only way. This one will do it better. I think so. See? It's really nice. I like it. I always do. It's a little messy, but it's worth it. And now it's summer. I really need it to sun dry your face. You need to keep your skin, period. You need to keep it moisturized at all time, because you don't want any problem, any skin problem. Oh, I think it's budgie. When you're applying this, be careful so it won't go in your eyes, or in your mouth. But really, you can eat this. You can definitely eat this just like that. All you have to do is drop lime or lemon, and you have a little remedy for cough. right here. It's really good. So this is where the darkness, my darkness is. And then right here will get really dry. So I want it to stay moisturized. I do this in the morning or at night, but I try not to do it at night. In the morning is better for me. Why? Because it's so messy. But I went out and back home. It's 80 something degrees, and my face was feeling so funny. No, too dry for me. Okay, guys, what do you guys think? So I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna save the rest for another day because I'm using this twice this week. This is the first use, and I'm gonna use it again probably Friday. Yes, Friday. So Friday I'm gonna do same thing, probably in the morning, I don't know, or maybe at night, but not in the mid-afternoon. How you like me now? This is a feel-good mask. Alright guys, this is it. I think I apply everywhere they need to be applied. Let me go back under my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and this is for me. It may not be for you, but I'm just giving you the tip so you can try it to see if it works for you. But before you try anything, it doesn't matter whether it's natural herb or natural thing that you're using, always test it a little bit on a part of your skin first, a little bit, to see if you don't have any allergy reaction. And if you don't have any allergy reaction, then that means you can use it. But if you do, but please don't use this thing. Please don't. Some people are allergic to honey. I don't know. I've never heard anyone that's allergic to honey, but I don't know. But this is good for me. It worked for me. It may not work for you, but you can try to see if it'll work for you, right? Okay. So this is what we do here. I'm just sharing the goodness. Okay. Gonna leave this for about 10 minutes. Okay, I think you can leave it for more if you want, but I'll leave it for 10 minutes. Okay.
Under that blue sky drive, no plans, just vibes. I follow the wind, feeling that joy from deep within. Sky high.
Time to wash the face. Time to wash the face. Time to wash the face. You can see. This is what the honey did. Is it? See? Oh, I love it. I love it. Now we're gonna wash the face. I did not make a mess today. I'm gonna use baby white instead. So you see how messy this thing can get. Side first. You see? You see already? Oh, I'm gonna rinse it out.
I'm feeling alive, cruising under that blue sky drive. No plans, just vibes that follow the wind. Feeling that drive from deep within.
Guys, look at my face. Look at my face. I am
Sky
not lying.
high,
Look at my
good time,
face.
let's fly.
That is a
Dance where the
great
clouds pass by.
result.
Feel the heat, feel the
I'm
beat.
loving
Lights so
it.
sweet in the sky.
My lips is so soft. I've
Palm
tried
trees
it
waving,
before.
gold in the air. Rhythm takes me, I don't care.
So twice a week
Turn it up, let the moonlight shine.
for a month,
Feel it on the sky high time.
then you see result. Okay, we're gonna use this.
Sky high, good time, let's fly. Dance where the clouds pass by.
We don't need much, just a little.
Feel the heat,
This
feel
is
the
too
beat.
much.
Lights so sweet in the sky.
This simple ritual helped me feel refreshed, grounded, and glowing inside and outside. You don't need a fancy spa day. Just a few intentional moments can make a big difference. Try it and let your skin thank you.
I decided not to put anything else because, guys, my face feels so good. This right here is really good. I like it. It's really, really good. I love this therapy. It feels so good right now. I feel like taking a nap.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, comment, and let me know what you think.
For my lips, I like to use
on
this.
everyone